Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel. This is the part 2 of the topic whether your child is growing well or not. In the part 1 we have seen that how the baby is gaining the weight in first year of life, how the baby is gaining the height and the head circumference in the first year of life. In this video we are going to see about the growth chart, how to plot the baby's weight and the height on the growth chart, so that you can monitor your baby's growth at home as well. Regarding the growth chart, you have to select the growth chart where you are living. If you are living in India, then Indian Academy of Pediatrics has designed a very good growth chart. And if you want to use the generalized growth chart, then the WHO, World Health Organization, has developed very good growth charts, and the CDC, Central Disease of the Control, also has developed the growth charts. So I will plot one baby's weight and height on the growth chart and I will show you in this next video. So the same thing you can check about your weight, your baby as well, so that you can monitor the baby's weight and height and the growth at home by your own.
There are various types of the growth charts available. You have to choose the growth chart based on the country where you are staying. If you are in India, you can use Indian Academy of Pediatrics growth chart, or you can use the WHO growth chart as well. The chart which I am going to show here is the CDC growth chart. CDC stands for Center for Disease Control and Prevention. All the growth charts are age specific. The one which we am going to show you is the birth to 36 month growth chart. This is for the boys. This one is birth to 36 months for girls. This one is for 2 to 20 years girls. This one is for 2 to 20 years boys. This is the chart of the head circumference for the boys, and this is the growth chart of the World Health Organization. This growth chart is for the head circumference for the age for the girls. First of all, I will give you the brief outline what is the growth chart. In the growth chart, if you will see on the X line, there will be the age. You can see the age: birth, 3 month, 6 month, 9 month, and on the Y line you can see the chart for the weight and chart for the height. Weight is given in the both the parameters, pound as well as the kilogram, and length is also given in the inch and the centimeter both. These curves which you are seeing are the range of the weight as well as the height. Now you can see there are number written, that percentiles. You can see that 5th percentile, 10th percentile, 25th percentile, 50th percentile, 75th percentile, 90th percentile and 95th percentile. The same is for the height as well. What is the meaning of this percentile? The percentile means if we are measuring the weight of the 100 children, and if it is 50th percentile, that means from that 100 children, 50 children's weight is of that one. So if your child's weight is in the 3rd percentile or the 5th percentile, that means only 5 children has that much weight. So both the parameters, like the weight in the 5th percentile as well as in the 95th percentile, is considered the abnormal weight. Same thing for the height as well. If the baby's height is less than 5th percentile or more than 95th percentile, then it will be considered as a abnormal height. Now we will demonstrate 2 children on the growth chart. We will plot their weight and height so that you can understand it better how to monitor the growth. Now let's see the baby X. Baby X, the birth weight is 3.5 kg. 3.5 kg and height is 50 centimeter. Now baby growth at 6 months weight is 7.5 kg and height is 67 centimeter. Now at 1 year of the age, baby's weight is 10 kg and height is 76 centimeter. Now we will connect all these dots. You can see that baby's weight and height parameters are parallel to the dark line, which is the 50th centile line. So that means child is growing very nicely. Now I will show you the another example of the another baby, that how his growth is. This is the another child whose birth weight is 3.5 kg and height is 50 centimeter. Now this baby 6-month weight is 7 kg and height is 65 centimeter. At 9 months of age, baby's weight is 7.5 kg and height is 70 centimeter. At 1 year of the age, baby's weight is 8 kg and height is 72 centimeter. Now we will connect all these dots. So you can see that the child whose growth we have plotted with the red color is growing normal, which is parallel to the black line, and the child who is in the blue color, who is not growing well because his chart is not parallel to the black line. This is another chart which is by the World Health Organization. This is the head circumference chart for the girls. On the x-axis there is the birth, means the age, and on the y-axis there is the head circumference. Now we will take example of one child whose birth head circumference is 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. At 6 months of the age, head circumference is 43 centimeter. At the age of 1 year, head circumference is 46 centimeter. So this child is also growing nicely because head circumference is not crossing the maximum of the head circumference line. Here the centiles are also like that: 3rd centile, 50th centile, 50th centile, 85th centile and the 97th centile. If the head circumference stays below 3rd centile, then this is not growing nicely, and if it is growing more than 97 also, it is not growing nicely. So this is the range that what will be the head circumference for that age.
I hope this video must be useful to you and it has cleared that how to know that baby is growing nicely or not. If you like this video, press the like button, share with your friends, share with your colleagues, share with the new parents so that know that how to monitor the baby's growth. And if you are first time on the YouTube channel, subscribe as well. Any comments, suggestions are welcome. You can put in the comment box. I will answer as early as possible. Thank you very much.